Hi everybody, Thursdays from the Kitchen here with me. Thank you for coming out to Comedy Night last week and the wine dinner last week. We had some great events last week. Great events coming up as well. We have Cinco de Mayo tomorrow in Lock Bar. We have Kentucky Derby event going on Saturday. And then next week, don't forget about Mother's Day brunch. So come treat your mother to a great event here at Glenmore. Tip of the week. So the microwave. So Chef Jacques Pepin said that the microwave is good for two things. Melting chocolate and clarifying butter. So if you ever have a recipe in front of you that says clarified butter, pop it in the microwave. It's perfect for clarifying your butter. See you around.